You've probably seen them at work sites or during safety training. Signs that read muster point or muster zone. The term might sound unfamiliar, maybe even a little funny, but we're all familiar with the concept. Remember back to your school days? Remember fire drills? Your teacher would lead everyone outside to a specific meeting spot for roll call. In that meeting area, that's a muster point. And the act of gathering there is called mustering. So what exactly is a mustering point? It's the designated location where you assemble after an emergency evacuation. A good mustering point serves three critical functions. The first is safety through distance. Evacuees need to gather far enough from the emergency that there's no longer a risk. Different emergencies may require different muster points. For instance, a hazmat incident could release toxic gases that travel with the wind, making wind direction a crucial factor in choosing where to gather. The location should also be clear of other hazards, such as power lines or dangerous equipment and buildings where fire could spread. If your workplace faces flooding or spill risks, an uphill location might be your best bet. Second, accessibility. The muster point needs to be close enough for everyone to reach quickly and safely. The route should be short, clear, and free of hazards. And here's something critical. Accessibility must work for everyone. People with disabilities need clear routes too. This might mean installing ramps or providing alternate paths. Third, accountability. Roll call confirms everyone is accounted for and evacuated safely. Manual headcounts with paper clipboards require a designated person at each muster point to account for everyone and report anyone missing. But there's a better way. Digital mustering software sends notifications directly to evacuees, who can immediately confirm they're safe or request help. This eliminates confusion about people who weren't in the building, visitors who might not be on manual lists, or anyone who had to use a different muster point. Why does this all matter? A muster point gives evacuees a known destination during chaos. When people already know where to go and what to do, evacuations become safer, faster, and easier to manage. Effective mustering depends on speed, visibility, and accurate headcounts. In an emergency, you can't rely on clipboards, spreadsheets, or assumptions about who might be on site. FacilityOS supports real-time accountability during evacuations. People receive notifications with next steps and an easy way to check in as safe or ask for help. You gain instant insight into who has been checked in and who still needs to respond and where support may be required. The result is faster real-time headcounts, clearer communication, and better coordination for drills, incidents, and evacuation events. FacilityOS. Safety you can stand behind.